Hello friends, so I hope all are doing very well. So good morning to everyone and my greeting and regards to everyone. So right now I am just returning from the Kedarnath and right now I am in Sonprayag Sitapur bus stand. So let's see, this is the looks of the Sitapur bus stand where we can get every buses from here only for the Haridwar, Rishikesh, Badrinath and some parts of the Uttarakhand, like also Rudraprayag and Devprayag. So we can get every buses from here only along with the cabs also, because I had come to visit the Kedarnath and I have completed my journey in Kedarnath, and today I am returning from here because I have to go Badrinath. So I will take my bus from here and the bus charges is 650 rupees, which I have to pay for the ticket from Kedarnath to Badrinath via Rudraprayag. I will go, and after that from the Jyotimath. So it's one of the best place also that we can see. This place is also so natural places which is located in Sonprayag, and I have to visit with the lots of places like Jyotimath and Rudraprayag, Devprayag, Vishnuprayag and Nandaprayag, among the all the places which I have to cover during the way. So I am also so excited to go and visit the Badrinath because already I spent here 2 to 3 days in Kedarnath and Sonprayag, and today I am living here for Badrinath, because Badrinath, which is also one of the Char Dham of India, which is popular for Vishnu temple, as along with the Mana village also, which is considered to be as the first village of India, which is also located close to the Badrinath, 3 km from here. So today I am moving from here, so because my bus timing is my bus timing will start, and let's see, I just took my bus. So in this bus I am going with the lots of travelers are also going to visit the Badrinath from the Kedarnath Sitapur bus stand from the Sonprayag. So my bus is going and we can see the view. So it is really as amazing as I had heard about the natural places in Uttarakhand. So really it's as amazing. It's really very amazing and so unique. So I had here, so I have no words how to describe it in my own words. So let's see, right now I am just crossing the Rudraprayag because my bus was started from the 5 p.m. and in this time 9 p.m. I am in Rudraprayag. After that I will go in Jyotimath, I think at least 12 to 1 a.m. and then I will be there in Sonprayag, sorry not Sonprayag, I will be there in Badrinath, I think maybe 4 to 5 early morning at that time. So let's see, I am crossing, so we can see the view of the Rudraprayag is also looking so unique in this time in night because of the lights. So right now I am just crossing, because even Rudraprayag is also located on the bank of the Alaknanda river. So let's see, I just reached to the Badrinath. We can see the view of the Badrinath. It's also very unique. Now in this time we can see the temple is visible from the here, and the water is also flowing of Alaknanda river. So it's a very good